Hi, I hope that you are well and that this video finds you and your loved ones safe and at home and settled after a week of not having class. I know that this has been a really stressful time and that you're figuring out how all of your classes are going to work. So I want to go over once more how our class will function for the rest of the semester. Each week, you will have a module open. This is just the same as it was in the earlier semester. However, we'll no longer meet in person, obviously. And you will have 2 quizzes in your module that will open on Sunday with the full week's worth of materials. If you have any questions or if you're having issues with your internet or anything like that is happening, please, please, please email me so that we can work something out. I don't want you to lose out on materials and time as we go forward. Speaking of going forward, we're now entering Unit 4. In Unit 4, we talk about how we go from page to stage, how production happens. We'll still be using Comedy of Errors, even though, like every other theater in the United States, our theater department's production, which you were supposed to see, will not be happening. We are figuring out a digital way for it to happen. The students are still rehearsing, and we will be sharing that process with you this semester. However, because of the editing process that it will need afterwards, it will not be available to you by the end of the semester, but I hope that you'll participate and watch whatever it is when it's available over the summer. So in this unit, we're going to talk about directing, we're going to talk about acting, we're going to talk about all of the other jobs that are available in the theater, and we're going to do it by looking at the lens of the Comedy of Errors by William Shakespeare. So this week, you're going to spend a lot of time thinking about how we take Shakespeare from page to stage.